Buenos dias. Service sales as of today, $2,081,449. We have 5 days left, and we're 5% behind budget. Right now we have 12 late orders, 1 in white and 11 in blue. So that's why we want to still get those through. Also, we have a couple, I don't know, what is there, 3 shipments, Bob, that are international that haven't gone out that we're looking to get out too. So they're just sitting on hold right now, so that'll help. Okay. Things we got going. Green Toys came in yesterday. It was a nice meeting talking about what their future growth is, different things they're getting into. So just give you a quick recap. They're talking about, instead of selling more boats or more helicopters, they're grouping them together. They're selling them like with books or selling them in pails. So they're putting things together as kits to sell more product through to get them in different areas of stores. So they've got some great ideas going out there. So they're going to try to utilize the tooling they have to get more products out there, okay? And their orders should start in June, I think, Tom, they were saying. June, we should start seeing their Christmas push for their orders, so we can get ready for that. Honeywell will be here on Friday to go through the plant about the improvements and where we're at, and why we're late and where we're at on inventory. So we want to make sure we're ready for that day, okay? Then we have Blue's improvements for today.
This was some quality.